All right, we got Computex 2026, and we have James. Let's check out some of the mods. There's some mods, right? Let's go ahead and check it out. So the entropy core is using the Crash 5 RGB Prime for overclocking, and also the mirror effect, the mirror infinity effect. AK mods, collab, PC build, modded build, look at that. That's absolutely crazy. Check out these memory modules right here, and it's rotating on this platform. It's called the Entropy Core, mod by AK Mod, famous Taiwanese modder. We have another rotating platform here with memory modules running right there. I think these are not physically running in terms of the system, but have the RGB lighting showing off the memory. The actual system right here is the Mini ICX with water-cooled, water-block, and also the memory running there with the KLEVV SSD right there as well. And this is all then cooled, water-cooled. Look out check out the bits power.
With specifications in place,
water block,
each module undergoes functional checks and stress tests to ensure stable operation.
Amazing. And if you look at the power supply, we have a nice power supply with all nice cables, really thin threaded cables right here. Nice.
For overclocking modules, heat sinks are installed.
Standing back, you see the whole system. Look at this whole setup. It's crazy.
This balance of function and design
this is a unique mod.
International
Absolutely amazing. AK mod, right? And then we have something interesting here. Check out this. It's also by AK Mod? Yep, so another mod PC, but two separate keyboards kind of like split two. And you do this that's pretty cool. It's all encased in this nice custom built casing, which then goes into this whole system right here. Look at this. Again, water-cooled with CPU water block, memory there,
where additional testing is conducted to help maintain KLEVV's quality standards.
And also then, of course, the water block with the pump.
Each product is packaged with a design that reflects its character and positioning, making it easy to recognize at a glance.
Mini ITX PC build
with that, KLEVV DRAM memory comes to life.
Here.
From this journey of precision,
absolutely crazy. And this one's called the Calling 2, Calling 02,
inspire creativity,
using the UB5 RGB memory from KLEVV, and also the Genuine G560 SSD.
There is KLEVV.
And just check out the back of it. It just looks absolutely amazing. Oh, I like that USB port, or sorry, HDMI port right here. That's really interesting right there. Brass Ring Sentinel using the KLEVV Brass 5 RGB and also the genuine G540 SSD. But look at this mod, this is absolutely crazy.
You can see the SSD spinning.
Check that out. You have the actual SSD spinning inside. That's crazy. It's got this like almost steampunk theme to it with the cogs and also nice intricate design of the feet right there. These are rotating blades. I'm not sure what it does, but it looks good anyway. On top of it here, you can see the Mini ICX system and the memory as well. Pump cooler, air cooler. You can see the Mini ICX system right there. This is absolutely designed amazing. Look at this. Solid as well, pretty solid as well. Alright, I think that's it from KLEVV. Fantastic booth with lots of memory on display, overclocking memory, gaming memory. We have some fantastic looking mods. So that's it from KLEVV. Thank you, James, for your hospitality, and have a great Computex.
Thank you.